Hey everyone, welcome back to useNfix, where we'll be showing you another tutorial video on the topic how to fix CapCut lagging mobile. If you're having trouble with CapCut lagging on your mobile phone, you're not alone. This issue is more common than you might think. But don't worry, today I'll be walking you through some super easy steps to fix it. We are going to try a few methods, starting from the simplest and working our way up. So stick with me till the end. One of these is bound to work. Let's start with the quickest fix, airplane mode. Go ahead and turn it on from a notification bar or control center, then turn it back off, and then try logging in into CapCut again, and you'll be surprised how often this simple trick does the job. Next, let's check if there is an update available for CapCut in your Play Store or App Store. Go ahead and open your Play Store or App Store, then search for CapCut, then see if there is an update button. Sometimes login issues happen because you are using the outdated version of the app. Updating it ensures you have the latest bug fixes and improvements. Now, if updating didn't help, it's time to clear cache. Go to your settings and then search app, then click on the options of app, then scroll down until you see the option of CapCut, then click on the option of CapCut, then scroll a bit down and you'll see the option of storage. Then on your bottom right, you'll see the option of clear cache, so hit the button of clear cache. Now, if you're on iPhone, the closest solution is deleting and reinstalling the app, which we'll get into in a second. If none of that helped, go ahead and delete your app from the phone and try reinstalling it with all the latest files and improvements. In many cases, this is the final fix that stops stubborn login problems, and there you go. One of these methods should have helped you get back into your CapCut account. If it did, let me know in the comments and give this video a thumbs up to help others too. And hey, if you like simple tech fixes like this, consider subscribing for more. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.